Right. We are doing sales. These are the questions that I have gathered here. So the first question is saying evaluate 7 root 5 squared. Right. So when the question is saying something like this, x squared, which is we are saying x times x, right? That's how you get x squared. So which means we apply the same concept here. We are saying it's 7 root 5 times 7 root 5. So you are saying 7 times 7, 7 times 7 times root 5 times root 5. You are saying 7 times 7, you are having 49 times root 5 times root 5. You are saying the same as 5 times 5 under the same root. So you are saying 49 times 5 times 5, which we have 25. So we are having 49 times root of 25, it's 5. So we are saying 49 times 5, we get what? 5 times 9, we get what? 5 times 9. 45. We are saying 5 carry 4, 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4, which is 24. So we are having 2 foot 5 there, right? We are done with item 1, and then item 2. Item 2 is saying a root 10 minus a root 5 squared, right? We are expanding. We are saying it's root 10 minus root 5 times root 10 minus root 5. Right. So we are saying first bracket will affect second bracket. So we are saying root 10 will multiply root 10 minus root 5, and then minus root 5 will also multiply root 10 minus root 5 there. So we are saying root 10 times root 10 under the same square root. And then we are saying minus root 5 times root 10 under the same square root there. Then we are saying minus root 5 times root 5 times 10. Then we are saying plus minus times a minus is plus root 5 times 5 there. So we are saying 10 times 10, you get 100. So which is square root of 100 minus 5 times 10, which is 50. So you have minus root 50 minus 5 times 10, which is 50. We are having minus root 50 plus root 25 there. So we are saying root 100, you get 10 minus 50. Root 50, we know that you can get 25 times 2 under this same root. 25 times 2 minus 25 times 2, and then the square root of 25 is 5. So we are saying 10 minus, you can split like this, square root of 25 times square root of 2, and then square root of 25 times square root of 2 plus 5. So collecting like terms here, they're having 10 plus 5 minus square root of 25 is 5 root 2 minus square root of 10, 5 is 5 root 2. Right, you can see that these are also like terms. So we are saying 10 plus 5, which we are having 15, minus 5 root 2 minus 5 root 2, we are having minus, we add these ones, so we are having 10 root 2. That's our answer there. Moving on to the next question, which was saying simplify 3 root 7 plus root 14 times root 2. Right, you can see that here we are having a root 7, and here we are having root 14. So we can say 3 root 7 plus this one, you can say it's a root 14. You can multiply by 2 inside here. You can multiply by 2 because this 2 is under the square root, so you can multiply on the same what square root. So we're having 3 root 7 plus 14 times 2, we're having 28. So 28, we can write it, root 28, you can write it as plus 4 times 7. So we can split this one, having 3 root 7 plus root 4 times root 7. Then we are saying 3 root 7 plus 2 root 7. Right terms. So we are saying 3 plus 2, which is 5 root 7. That is our answer. Then item 2 and 3 as your task to do. You do item 2 and 3, and I'll do item C there. I'll do item C. Allow me to wrap these ones. Like the question says, rationalize the following. You're saying 1 over root 2. So when the question says rationalize, you want to get rid of the square root. So if the question says rationalize 1 over root 2, we multiply both sides by root 2 over root 2. Right, so we are saying 1 times root 2, we are having root 2 over root 2 times root 2. As you said, yes, you can combine it on the same root. So we are saying it's root 2 over root 4, which gives us root 2 over 2, which is our answer there. See item 1. And then see item 2. See item 2, we are saying 2 over 2 minus root 3. We rationalize the denominator. So if we want to get rid of this denominator, we multiply by the conjugate, which is 2 plus root 3 over 2 plus root 3. Right, so this one on top will multiply that one, yes, having 2 plus root 3. And then this one, first bracket affect second bracket, you are saying 2 plus root 3 minus root 3 multiplies 2 plus root 3. So we are having 4 plus 2 root 3 over 4, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 times root 3, you're having 2 root 3, minus 2 root 3, minus root 3 times 3 is same as root 3, multiplies under the same root. So we are having 4 plus 2 root 3 over 4, 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3, they cancel each other. And then here, root 3 times 3, we are having minus root 9. Here we know that root 9 is 3. We are getting 3 there. We are having 4 plus 2 root 3 over 4 minus 3, which means our final answer is saying 4 plus 2 root 3, 4 minus 1, which is 1. So you can leave the answer like this, or you insert 1 there, but the answer is 4 plus 2 root 3. And then your task is to complete this one. You do the same. You are saying you multiply both sides by the conjugate of this one. Rationalize the denominator, which is 3 plus root 2 over 3 plus root 2. Thank you.